For generations, humanity has gazed into the night sky, wondering if we are truly alone in the vastness of space. But now, for the first time in history, we may have found a clue, one that defies everything we thought we knew. According to recent findings, the James Webb Space Telescope has picked up something utterly unexpected. Artificial-looking lights, flickering like a distant metropolis, 7 trillion miles from Earth. These aren't stars, supernovae, or natural cosmic phenomena. They are something different, something organized, something intelligent. The telescope was trained on Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to our solar system, orbiting our stellar neighbor Proxima Centauri, just 4.25 light-years away. It was here, in the dim red glow of a cool dwarf star, that JWST captured strange bright emissions, light patterns resembling what we would see if we were staring at Earth's cities from orbit. Not just random brightness, but structured, rhythmic, and persistent. Scientists are asking the inevitable question: could this be evidence of alien life? Let's break this down. The data came from infrared imaging, James Webb's specialty. It's equipped with the most advanced infrared detectors ever put into space, capable of peering into the dark corners of the universe and capturing heat signatures from distant worlds. On Proxima B, the telescope detected an unusual emission pattern coming from the planet's night side. Not thermal radiation, not volcanic glow, but something far more curious. Artificial-looking light, stable and bright, as if entire cities were aglow. Researchers like David Kipping from Columbia University have pointed out that Proxima B exhibits heating patterns that don't line up with natural expectations. On rocky planets like Earth, sunlight is absorbed during the day and released as infrared energy at night. But Proxima B doesn't follow this rule. Its heat signature is anomalously different from its parent star. The infrared spectrum is distorted in a way that suggests an energy source other than solar radiation, perhaps one of technological origin. If these lights are real, the implications are staggering. It would mean that not only does intelligent life exist beyond Earth, but that it is developed enough to build civilizations, entire societies that emit structured light, just as we do. Could they be using solar panels on their planet's day side to power illuminated cities on the night side? Could they be harnessing energy and using it in ways we barely understand? Proxima B has a unique relationship with its star. Due to its proximity, it is likely tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is always facing the star, bathed in eternal daylight, while the other side lies in perpetual darkness. In such an environment, advanced beings may have found a way to thrive. Maybe they've developed systems to distribute heat, to light the darkness, to survive and evolve in an environment far harsher than Earth. And the lights? They could be more than just a glow. They might be signals, messages, a beacon from a civilization far more advanced or at least different than our own. When the JWST detected these emissions, the scientific community didn't leap to conclusions. They began rigorous analysis. Could it be an atmospheric phenomenon? A data error? Dust? But every test so far points towards something persistent and artificial. Even more intriguing is what comes next. The James Webb Telescope is capable of analyzing the atmosphere of exoplanets through a technique called transmission spectroscopy. As the planet passes in front of its host star, starlight filters through its atmosphere, and by analyzing the way the light is absorbed, we can detect the presence of key gases. Oxygen, water vapor, methane, biomarkers that might suggest life. And if we find more, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, industrial chemicals created only by advanced civilizations, would be the ultimate proof. So far, the presence of CFCs hasn't been confirmed, but the telescope is still watching, still listening, still collecting. JWST's orbit even lines up closely with Proxima B's, meaning we can observe its entire day and night cycle, 11.2 Earth days, regularly and with astonishing detail. And that's just the beginning. The real breakthrough may come when we pair JWST with next-generation ground-based instruments like the extremely large telescope, which will allow us to directly examine the chemical composition of alien atmospheres. And yet, we face challenges. Even if we detect oxygen or methane, we must ask, are these produced biologically or by natural phenomena like volcanoes? Can we distinguish the artificial from the organic? That is the puzzle scientists now face. But the city lights, a potential artificial light source, might be the key to bypassing this ambiguity. Unlike natural processes, no known geology creates structured nighttime light patterns. Proxima B, despite being close in galactic terms, is still a world of extremes. It receives only 65% of the sunlight Earth does, and it's constantly bombarded by solar flares and radiation. Without a protective magnetic field or dense atmosphere, it could be an incredibly hostile place. And yet, the light remains. If an advanced society exists there, it must have overcome enormous obstacles. Could they be shielded underground? Could their structures be designed to withstand the harshest conditions in the cosmos? As we venture further into this enigma, we must consider life as we don't know it. Here on Earth, we have extremophiles, microorganisms that survive in acid, near volcanoes, or under frozen tundras. Life is astonishingly adaptable. So why not out there? Why not Proxima B? Perhaps life evolved differently. Perhaps it didn't need a stable, mild climate. Perhaps it thrived in the dark. The James Webb Space Telescope is our eye in the sky, peering deeper and more clearly into the unknown than any tool before it. And what it's showing us is a universe full of possibility. In just a few short years, our catalog of exoplanets has grown to over 4,000, and NASA predicts that trillions more await discovery. But it's Proxima B that captures the imagination because it's close, it's rocky, it's in the habitable zone, and now it may be glowing with the lights of intelligence. Think about what this means. We've searched the skies for decades, hoping for a whisper, a flicker, a sign. And now we may have found it. The James Webb Telescope isn't just rewriting textbooks. It's reshaping the human experience. For centuries, we thought we were alone. But maybe, just maybe, the cosmos has been trying to get our attention all along. And now we finally have the eyes to see. Are we on the verge of the greatest discovery in human history? The truth is out there, glimmering in the dark, 7 trillion miles away. The city lights on Proxima Centauri B may be more than just reflections. They may be a message across space and time. So what do you think? Are we truly alone? Or have we finally found our cosmic neighbors lighting up the night? Stay curious, stay searching, and never stop looking up.